Hello, in this video tutorial, we want to learn how to use the use relationship DAX function. Let's get started. Now, the function specifies the relationship to be used in a specific calculation as the one that exists between column name 1 and column name 2. Now, the function can be used with the calculate and the calculatable functions that takes a filter as an argument. Now, let's come to the diagram view. Now we can see that we have a one-to-many relationship between the dimension tables and the fact table. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create a calendar table. So from the design tab, then click on date table and new. So we are seeing the calendar table being processed. So you can say, all right, let's hold on for a moment to be sure that it is fully ready to use. Alright, I think that should be fine. Alright, so I'm going to drag this order date from our fact table and connect to the calendar table date. Okay, so we can see that we have a one-to-many relationship. So again, I'm going to drag the ship date from our fact table and connect to the date on our calendar dim table. Now we can see that this has a dotted line, and this is an indication that we have an inactive one-to-many relationship. Okay, which will enable us to use the use relationship DAX function that we want to talk about. So we come to the home tab, then in the data view, then I'm going to come to the fact table. So in the measure grade, come to the formula bar. So I'm going to call this one total amount, then colon equals. So we use the sum aggregator. Alright, so I'm going to select the total column, then close, and click enter. So you can quickly apply some formatting. Right, now this is ready. So we have 1,608,000 plus. So click on pivot table, new sheet. Now let's quickly, I'm going to close this, create some connections. Now let's drag our month. So I drop in the rows areas. So we have the month, list of months, in month order. So I'm going to use the DAX measure we just created, which is total amount. So in the values area, so we can see the total amount generated by across each of the months. Now again, I'm going to come back to the power pivot and create another measure. Now for this, I'm going to call this one total amount by sheet date colon equal. So for this, I'm going to use the calculate function. That is what we talked about earlier on. So for my calculate function, so the expression is going to be the transaction fact table, and of course we are going to take the total amount, then comma. So now for the filter, I'm going to use the use relationship, and of course we talked about the column name 1 and column name 2. So for the column name 1, I'm going to use the transaction underscore fact table sheet dates. Okay, and for the column name 2, I'm going to use the calendar date, then close my use relationship, and of course my calculate, and click enter. Alright, so let's widen it so that I can see clearly. So you can see that we have the same value, which looks as if nothing is happening, but let's go back to Excel. Alright, so now I'm going to use the DAX measure that we just created, which is total amount by sheet date, and of course I drop it below the one here. Now you can see that for the month of January, the total amount is, okay, let's quickly apply formatting, right click, number format, then currency. Okay, let's do the same thing here, right click, number format, currency, click OK. Now we can see that for the month of January, that the total amount is actually 116,804, but the total amount by sheet date is actually 119,894. Now that actually tells you that we actually did more of supply, and we are still expecting some more money to come back to us, okay, based on the order date. Now, if you check December, for example, you discover that for total amount, which takes into consideration the order date, the value is actually 98,000 plus. However, for the total amount by ship date, the value is 84,000 plus. Okay, now let's quickly just do one more thing. Let's grab the year, and I'm going to drop the year. Okay, no, oops, I don't want this. Oh, all right, so let's use this. Now we can see that for the month of January of 2014, that the total amount is actually 29,954. However, the total amount by ship date is 25,963. So there's a little bit of difference. Now this is actually made possible because we deployed the use relationship DAX function, because of the fact that we have an inactive relationship between the ship dates and the order dates. Now, this is how to use the use relationship DAX function. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bye for now.